Good morning, students. I am Sivraj Singh. Today I will teach you the English textbook of class 7th, chapter 1st. The title is My Land. This is a poem written by Thomas Davies. Thomas Davies is an Irish poet. He lived in Ireland. He wrote this poem to address his own country. What he feels for his own country, that is the common feeling for every person for his own country. So we also feel the same for our India. Let us see what is written in the poem. She is a rich and rare land. She means here our country. Our country is rich. Everything is available in my country. It is a rare land. Rare means those things which are not found easily everywhere, those are called rare. So my country is rare. This type of land cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Oh, she is a fresh and fair land. My country is fresh, it is pure, and this is a very beautiful land. She is a dear and rare land. This is dear to me means it is lovely to me, and rare land means this type of land cannot be found anywhere in the world. This native land of mine. Native means the place where we were born or where we have been living since childhood. No men than hers are braver. The people of my country are braver than the people of any other country. Her women's hearts never waver. The heart of women of my country are not weak. They do not shake while facing the difficulties. They are also brave. I would freely die to save her. I would like to die to save my country, and think my Lord divine. If I die for the sake of my country, I feel it divine. The divine means the thing which is connected to God. She is not dull or cold land. My country is not lazy, and nor it is cold means coward. My country is not coward. No, she is warm and bold land. People of my country are warm. They are active, and that's why my country is the land of bold people means brave people. Oh, she is a true and old land. My country is an ancient country. This is not new. This native land of mine. This is the quality of my native land, our India. Could beauty ever guard her? The beauty of inner heart guards our country. This is the beauty of our land, that the heart of people are very beautiful, and virtue still reward her. Virtue means the quality, the moral values. Because of it, my country is rewarded. Here it means to say that people of my country are of high moral values. No foe would cross her border. Foe means enemy. Enemy cannot cross our border. No friend within it pine. And who are the friend of my country, who are living inside our country, have no scarcity. They do not long for anything. They are not suffering, but they have everything. Oh, she is a fresh and fair land. My country is fresh, it is pure and beautiful. Oh, she is rare and true land. My country is a true land. It is a good place to live in, and it is rare. This type of country cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Yes, she is rare and fair land, this native land of mine. So, this is the feeling of Thomas Davis for his own country, and the same we also feel for our country, India. I hope you have got the meaning. Thank you.